Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your wealth with Oracle, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover your wealth with Oracle, start by creating your Oracle account. Visit the official Oracle website and navigate to the registration page. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Confirm your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once your account is verified, log in to access the Oracle platform. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard to understand the available tools and features. Next, assess your current financial situation. Gather all relevant financial documents, including assets, liabilities, and income statements. Identify the areas where you've experienced losses or setbacks. Now, explore Oracle's wealth recovery tools and services. Navigate to the investment section of the Oracle platform. Analyze the options available for wealth recovery, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Consider diversifying your investments to spread risk. Set specific financial goals for your wealth recovery journey. Determine the timeline for achieving these goals based on your financial situation. Begin by investing a portion of your assets using Oracle's guided investment strategies. Monitor your investments regularly through the Oracle dashboard. Use the analytics tools provided to track your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Engage with Oracle's community forums for additional insights and support. Stay updated on market trends and news that may impact your investments. Review your financial plan periodically to ensure it aligns with your recovery goals. Be patient and maintain a long-term perspective on your investments. Remember, consistency and informed decision-making are key to recovering your wealth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.